Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another dessert cup. This one is also easy and simple, and it's 2 layers, or more so 3 layers, I guess. So it consists of regular custard milk pudding, and then we have the strawberries and strawberry jelly. And I think that like all three together they work in harmony, and they produce this like it's a perfect combination of sweetness and tanginess, and as well as like textures. Those like small pieces of strawberries add much needed texture. It's very easy and simple and very delicious. So I'll show you guys how to. So what you'll need to make this dessert is half a liter of milk, 40 grams of flour, 50 grams of sugar, 10 grams of cornstarch, 100 grams of Greek yogurt or natural yogurt, some strawberries that we've just chopped up finely, and this strawberry jam. So our first step is in a saucepan we're going to put in our milk, our flour, our sugar, and our cornstarch, and we're going to mix that really well. So we're going to do the same as what I've done with previous desserts, and we're going to put it on low heat and keep continuously stirring it until it thickens. So as you can see, it is thick, so we're just going to leave it for a minute so that the flour can cook, and then we'll take it off the heat. Now I forgot to mention this in the ingredients, but we're going to add about 1 tablespoon or 10 grams of butter, and it doesn't matter if it's room temperature or cold, because like the mixture is already hot, so it will melt it anyways. And we just mix it until the butter melts. So after the butter has melted, we're just going to add our yogurt, and we're going to mix it with a hand mix. So we're going to mix in the yogurt really well. So now we switch to an electric mixer, and we're going to mix it so that it makes it smoother and so that it cools down a little. Forgot to mention this earlier, but you can use any yogurt you want to. Like you can also use the flavored ones. We just stuck to plain Greek yogurt. Now we're just going to pour it into our cups and cover them with plastic wrap. And then we're just going to let them chill for 2-3 hours, and then we move on to the next layer. So now we cover them with plastic wrap, and they don't really need to touch the surface because we're going to be adding another layer later on. So after our custard pudding has cooled down, we're going to move on to the next layer, which is preparing our jelly. You prepare it per the instructions or the directions of the package. Ours just says to add 1 cup of hot water, mix it, and then add another cup of cold water and mix it. So after we've mixed it really well with our hot water, we're going to add in our cold water, and we're going to mix it once again. So now after we've mixed in our jelly, we're going to take a spoon, and we're going to just spread our strawberries onto our mixture. So now we're just going to pour our jelly over the mixture so the strawberries can sit still. So I did the mistake of pouring too much custard first, which is why the layers don't look that good, or like the cups overflew as well, like there was an overflow. So now we're just going to put them in the freezer to chill for a little bit before we serve them. So this is what they look like, and as you can see from the side, usually there'd be like 2 distinctive layers, but you can't really see them. It's not that neat because I did the mistake of overfilling them. So when you do it, just like when you fill your cups, don't overfill them because the layers will not look nice. But let's taste it because I think it still looks pretty decent. So as you can see, it's very soft to the touch. So as you can see, it's very soft from here, and it's also like soft texture wise. They both are soft, but like you have the sweetness from the custard, and then you have the tanginess from like the strawberries, and the jelly as well, because it's not too sweet. So yeah, you have the sweetness, and you have the tanginess, and then the strawberries, like the pieces, add much needed texture. So I think overall it's a good like combination of textures and flavors all together. So this concludes today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook so you guys can support me to make more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!